usually deliver presentations while standing next to the screen, as I am now. Sometimes they use remote controls or mouse pointers to walk around the hall or sit. By the way, where is my remote control? Oh, I left it in the kitchen. No big deal, since the MultiBoard has EasiConnect app for remote control via your smartphone. EasiConnect is supplied with MultiBoard for free. Let's see how it works. Firstly, connecting the smartphone to the same Wi-Fi with MultiBoard. EasiConnect clients are installed on both devices launching on MultiBoard. Secondly, opening the app on the smartphone by refreshing the network. If both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, the smartphone app will detect MultiBoard automatically. Finally, tap in Connect. If you have set a password within the MultiBoard app, enter it on your smartphone. It's better to set a password to prevent some smart joker attendee from derailing your presentation. There are 4 features in the app: a touchpad, screen duplication on your smartphone, presentation, and sending memo photo. Actually, it is as simple as can be. The app supports both Android and iOS smartphones. Charge your phone well in advance, before a presentation, to ensure you have enough battery.